From now on, the only law in the land of games is you can't stop playing till bedtime! Hooray!
I'm afraid we have to be on our way, but I know we'll be back.
How can we come back when we don't even know where we are?
Because, Celeste, you can never be lost when you're at a friend's place.
Gamefly is awesome. Real kids talk about why they love Gamefly. Choose the games that you want. I want this game. It comes straight in the mail.
Keep them for as long as you want.
You can either buy it straight from them or send it back.
Get a new game.
If you want to play the latest video games, you can ask your parents to sign up for Gamefly with this special TV offer. Gamefly lets you rent the games you want online and delivers them right to your house.
Gamefly's selection is ginormous.
They have RPGs, shooters, they have racing games, fighting games.
You just go to Gamefly, they have it.
Gamefly selection is insane.
Gamefly has over 8,000 console and handheld games. Your parents can even set up controls so you only rent games they approve. You can ask your parents to sign up for Gamefly.
No due dates. No late fees. My parents like it because they save money.
If you want to get games from Gamefly, you can ask your parents to go to Gamefly.com. Click on the joystick in the top right corner, enter Kids in the box. You get started with an extended free trial. And remember, your parents can cancel anytime. Must be 18 years or older to order online. Product shown rated for B10+.
I love Gamefly.
You should try it.
There's nothing better than Gamefly. There's a place not so far away. Ask your parents to take you. Come to the forest, where the other you lives. But first, stop by discovertheforest.org.
Simple, everyday things can help you burn calories. Taking the stairs, vacuuming, even dance around your living room. So be active whenever, wherever you can. Small steps can help you go healthy. The more you know.
Every day, it becomes teaching them. Because learning starts long before children. Give your child further need at ordinary.org.
Wish to airs programs designed to meet the educational and informational needs of children. You can inspect a copy of our children's television programming report filed quarterly in our public file at Wish 2, 1021 North Wymore Road, Winter Park, during regular business hours. Hotline, McGruff here. Come on! Here's what you do. Step 1, walk over to Wendell. Step 2, put your arm around him.
But I barely know.
That's okay. Now, step 3, walk away together. Don't take on a bully. Take off with your friends. And remember, friendship beats bullies every time. For more information, go to McGruff.org.